am going to make plain bread. The ingredients are: we need flour, salt, sugar, yeast and water to make bread. Do you know why I am going to make bread? It's because of COVID-19. Shops are not selling a lot of bread, so I decided to do myself. During COVID-19, please make sure you stay clean by washing your hands frequently. Are the ingredients to make the bread: water, flour, salt, sugar and yeast. Follow the instruction from the book. It's very important not to mix salt and yeast together, because salt will kill the yeast. First we put the salt in the bowl. Next we put the flour in the bowl. Now we put the yeast and the sugar in the bowl. Let's mix with the spoon first. Now we put the water into the flour. Let's mix. Now I add a bit more water. Wait, I mix. I already mixed the ingredients. It must be like this. We need to cover the bread with a towel for an hour. Look here, after 1 hour. Look at the dough. Look at the dough, it's already raised. Now I'm going to press the dough. I'm going to mix again. I'm going to put the dough into the baking tray. My tray is too big, my dough is too small. Now we are going to let it rest for 30 minutes before we put inside the oven. Wait, what the 30 minutes the dough become like this. Now I'm going to put inside the oven. It will take 30 minutes to bake. See you later. Bye. Look at the bread, it's very hot. It's perfect. Another 5 minutes and it's done. You can see the bread is done. Now I'm going to cut it. This is how the bread looks like. Cutting the bread, this bread looks like this. It's delicious.